Lil Darkie. Yeah, that artist name, that sounds very racist. Sound of grinding a politician's head into a fine powder. Alright. That is oddly specific. What is this gonna sound like? Featuring John Askus. What is this album cover? These kids are all retarded. Is this song called? What the hell? It's very distorted. I was quoting. Who's Gymnastis? It's pretty big. 240k monthly listeners. Fried egg. I just realized the song is 7.5 minutes long. Ouch. There is a sufficient amount of ear rape going on in this song. Is that guitar? Or is it like super distorted drum and bass? I don't really know what I'm listening to. $2.3 million monthly listeners.
What the fuck? The air is fucked. I'm sipping poison out the bottles of fucking models that I never met.
I don't know about this one. Yeah, you could put it like that.
My consciousness has fucking left my body.
It's like happy hardcore. This is a fever dream and a half. Sure, throw some 8-bit in there. Best to listen to high as fuck. I'm not sure. I think I get a bad trip. I mean, I have to say, in terms of distortion, I think this was even worse. This week now had request. That was even more deep fried. Does Lil Darkie do a lot of drugs? Oh wait. See, this is normal. This is fine. We look up to pieces of shit and wanna be in fucking nigga taking pics in the front of a mausoleum. Fuck a race, fuck a flag and a nigga that wanna see him. Fuck being a being that being. That guitar was pretty nice. Oh. Back to Fever Dream. So is the majority of his music like this? Ah, I see. So is the rest of it like normal hip hop?
What's up, Darkie?
Maybe I should play a little bit of another song after this.
I took my blue pill today. How about you?
Oh yeah, I took my blue pill as soon as I woke up.
Oh yeah, very nice. You think there's any other color pills we can take?
Look, Jadaskis, are you sure you took your blue pill? You're asking a whole lot of fucking questions.
Why is there an epic guitar solo all of a sudden? Oh my god. That is so out of place. Oh no. Yeah, now this part also doesn't even sound that weird. I mean, the guitar solo was the best sounding thing in the whole song. What the hell?
Wow, I'm over here, and I'm over here.
Ouch. My ears.
And then I'm right here.
God. What kind of a cocktail of drugs do you need to either produce this or vibe to this? Good God. Well, that was an adventure. Hang on, just a couple seconds of his most famous song, I Can See Clearly. Yeah, this is like lo-fi hip-hop. Yeah. I can see why you would listen to this. This is pretty chill. Is it shoegaze? Is this shoegaze? Yeah, maybe shoegaze, lo-fi, hip-hop. That sounds pretty chill. That sounds fine. How does it go from that to this? Well, you have to appreciate the artistic creativity. And like I said, that wasn't even the most distorted song on stream. This was worse. God.